Okay, I'm going to show you something I normally don't work on. As you can see how dirty and run down this one is. This is unusual for me to take on, so I almost walked away. But it's a recommendation for a mobile mechanic. He's in a category where he's at the very bottom end of the food chain. So, you know, you understand that they have to turn over not so great cars and put not great parts on them, and not follow all the rules and, you know, reuse O-rings. And this was severely kinked. It was literally at a 90-degree bend right here, and I told him no, I can't do that. He bent it forward. I put some nitrogen in it and I got a somewhat of a curve, but look at this. You would never do that with this kind of material. You would never kink these. This was literally kinked off where nothing would flow through it before. Whoever you had. Now you see all the bubbles down there? So I'm just nitrogen testing it. Usually, like I said, if I seen this, I would have just walked away. But I'm doing, I'll do it for them. I'll let them. I'm normally out of their price range category to service any of their vehicles for this particular mechanic. He's more of the guy who does it for $100 or a 6-pack, you know, area. But they got the right. They know one of the large body shops I do, who he does work for, and they recommended me to do his cars. And I haven't seen this kind of stuff like this in a long time. Where was that other leak? Oh yeah, let's look down here. I mean, everyone, I'd say, starts out somewhere, but this is you know, one of those levels where they start out and 20 years later are still at this level. And I don't get to see this much because I usually, in my past years, learned to walk away from this kind of work. And I think some of you know what I'm talking about. And but this is the end of the day. And I'm trying to show you this one way to hell back there. There we go, that guy right there. You see that? You see that back there? Well, it'd be nice if it focused. There we go. You see that back there at that fitting? So it leaked at that fitting. It's definitely leaking at that fitting. I'm trying to find all of his other fittings. Let's see what he did to the switch. If the switch is okay, that's okay. This is one of those ones where you don't even bother doing anything. Oh yeah, he said he changed this one right here. Junkyard. Hey, it's actually holding. What else did he change? So this is just a hunt kind of thing. As you can see, no bolts, no attachments, no shields. And it actually looks like that core support and radiator and everything literally came off of a different year, make, model vehicle that doesn't even fit this vehicle. Is that what I think? Ah, there's our radiators, tie downs. Pardon the pun, tie downs. Okay. Rubbing right there. Oh yeah, we're gonna have a rub through the radiator. No fan shroud, and I doubt it'll ever go on. These are interesting. Okay guys, I think you've seen enough, and I'm gonna head out of here.